Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is: the organelle involved in detoxification of drugs and poisons in the liver cells is option A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, option B, rough endoplasmic reticulum, option C, Golgi apparatus, option D, lysosomes. Our correct answer is A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Our next MCQ is: Down's syndrome is characterized by which one of the following at chromosome 21st? Option A, trisomy at chromosome 21st. Option B, monosomy at chromosome 21st. Option C, polysomy. Option D, disomy. Our correct answer is A, trisomy at chromosome 21st. Our next MCQ is: which of the following is an example of autosomal non-disjunction? Option A, Turner's syndrome. Option B, Jacob's syndrome. Option C, metastasis. Option D, Down's syndrome. Our correct answer is D, Down's syndrome. Our next MCQ is: infertility, short height, webbed neck, and low hairline at lake are symptoms of which one of the following syndrome? Option A, Turner's syndrome. Option B, Down's syndrome. Option C, Edwards syndrome. Option D, Patau's syndrome. Our correct answer is A, Turner's syndrome. Our next MCQ is: the concentration of sodium ions in the body fluids is controlled by hormone. Option A, renin. Option B, aldosterone. Option C, angiotensin. Option D, creatine phosphokinase. Our correct answer is B, aldosterone. Our next MCQ is: a hormone released from posterior pituitary lobe acts to be actively transport water from filtrate in collecting tubules back to kidney is known as option A, renin. Option B, antidiuretic hormone. Option C, angiotensin. Option D, growth factor. Our correct answer is B, antidiuretic hormone. Our next MCQ is: the removal of metabolic waste from blood is called option A, thermoregulation. Option B, osmoregulation. Option C, kidney failure. Option D, excretion. Our correct answer is D, excretion. Our next MCQ is: highly toxic nitrogenous excretory product is option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, uric acid. Option C, urea. Option D, ammonia. Our correct answer is D, ammonia. Ammonia is highly toxic. Then urea is toxic. And among these, least toxic is uric acid. So our correct answer is D, ammonia. Our next MCQ is: humans have homeostatic thermostat present in a specified portion of the brain, that is option A, lateral ventricle. Option B, thalamus. Option C, spinal cord. Option D, hypothalamus. Our correct answer is D, hypothalamus. Our next MCQ is: the disease in which death of small number of cells in the basal ganglia leads to inability to select and initiate patterns of movement is known as option A, fever. Option B, Alzheimer's disease. Option C, epilepsy. Option D, Parkinson's disease. Our correct answer is D, Parkinson's disease. Our next MCQ is: a neurological disorder characterized by decline in brain function is. Its symptoms are similar to those diseases that cause dementia. Option A, Parkinson's disease. Option B, epilepsy. Option C, Alzheimer's disease. Option D, diabetes. Our correct answer is C, Alzheimer's disease. Our next MCQ is a discharge by the brain which causes chaotic activity in motor and sensory areas is option A meningitis, option B Alzheimer's disease, option C epilepsy disease, option D Parkinson's disease. Our correct answer is C epilepsy.